G'day and welcome back. And I'm just back from the post office once again, but it's not the morning like usual. This is Thursday afternoon and it will be Good Friday tomorrow. So I popped down just in case there's something was at the post office, and I've been expecting this from Mark Scale Models. I've got some stuff in here for restorations. So I purchased some original axles. That's an Aston Martin front axle assembly. And this one for the MMC 61 Porsche. And some wheels, so I will have to make my own rear axle for the MMC 61 Porsche. I bought this front axle, I'll just make a rear axle. It has to be smaller than an Aston Martin axle. So I've got some reproduction wheels. And they should work just like I've already made an axle with the Aston Martin wheels, a rear axle, cut down an MMC 54 axle, made a rear axle. I will put this new one, this new one in the car, the number 9 car that has the axle that I made, and I'll have 2 handmade Aston Martin axles, a front and rear spare, in case I get an Aston Martin body, so I don't have to go chasing them, because this stuff's really rare now. You're hardly going to find this stuff now. And I'll be able to make a rear axle for the MMC 61 Porsche Spider. And I'll have a pair of wheels. I should have actually bought 6 wheels so I could have enough for 2 axles spare, but that's better than nothing. So some parts for the MMC 61, and I'll see you next time.